Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an EGR valve on a Dodge Charger. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, locate the EGR valve, which is typically found on the intake manifold of your engine. Now, let's remove the old valve. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connector from the EGR valve. Next, carefully detach any vacuum lines that are connected. Using your ratchet, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the valve to the engine. Once unbolted, gently pull the old EGR valve straight away from the intake manifold. With the old valve removed, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the intake manifold to ensure a good seal. Place the new gasket onto the manifold. Carefully position the new EGR valve and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 18 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Reconnect all vacuum lines and the electrical connector to the new EGR valve. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and carefully check for any exhaust leaks around the new valve. Lastly, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes, ensuring your vehicle's computer recognizes the new component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.